What is up, everyone? This is Drew. I run a small business out of Columbus, Ohio. And this is a little overview of my little pressure washing rig. Nothing too crazy. Got a Hane reel, which is fabulous. I'd like to get another one. And then I've got this Continental 200 feet of hose, but it's two 50-foot sections and 100-foot section. And then, let's see, I've got my downstreamer. Yeah, I can't think this through right now. Get back to that one. And then just a cheapo $100 reel from Tractor Trailer Supply. And then it's 200 feet of Gilmore hose in 50-foot sections. That's just how I bought them. I have another additional 100. And then just a 4 gallon per minute. These are like $1,400. I'll probably go up again. I bought it used for $800. It was used for maybe 20 hours, what he said, but I think he completely underrated himself because I do a lot of pressure washing. And I only got 52 hours on there. And I got that after he, this guy down in basically Cincinnati owned it. And then my old Honda, and it's just 2.5 gallon per minute. It's probably really like 2.3, but it did a great job starting out. Of course, I've got all the drainage for the oil, same way on the other one. So that's the way to go. And then as far as, obviously I'm not holding any water. This over here is rinse aid. And I use that usually on the front windows of houses when I'm done. And then I just have a cheapo 4-way, and that's what I'll take off of here, and then I'll connect to that. And then I also have a couple different hoses running. Obviously this one's not connected. That's for the other pressure washer, which I've never used this setup, but just in case I run, you have problems with this one, And then of course I have a little rinse valve too that I'll rinse stuff off. And obviously we're dealing with highly caustic stuff here. Then I got 3 safety cones, and then of course I have a Whisper Wash Classic, and that is just has 2 nozzles on it, obviously. Then I've got a big extension pole down there. It's damn near 20 feet. I believe so, maybe more. That actually might be 12 feet, so that could be close to 24 feet. I don't know. Just washed this out today. Keep my X-Jet in here. And then as far as like all my nozzles and stuff, I keep a 5-gallon bucket with a Husky bag in there, and I put it in my passenger leg area. And of course, I've got the Persuader. And those have all stainless inserts in them. And then, of course, ball valve, which I use regularly, which I didn't think I would ever use. And then just some crescent wrenches and stuff like that. Hammer, just in case. And then I have some, not gear oil, but oil for the pump oil. And then I have oil for the engine as well. And it's all Honda stuff, the other one's Cat. And yeah, so that's pretty much my setup. And then I always keep a battery powered blower, blow stuff off what I can. I got another Suttner gun, stainless steel. I think it's 36 inches. I used to have a 48 inch on there. I kind of wish I had the 48 inch still. It does help. And then even with that gun, I only use it for applying chemical typically. And then I'll just rinse with this. And since I'm just running water through it, mostly, it should be fine. I need to get another gun, a backup gun. But yeah, and then I've got my X-Jet is what I use for a rinsing tool. And then I have M5 twists, I believe they are, a couple different ones for different gallons per minute. But yeah, that's it. And I believe that's through Flow Pro. But yeah, and then I'm just on a 6x10 Texas brag, but it's a little bit bigger than 610. So then I've got the box on the front, and that's what I'll keep rags in there. If I have to use this for chemical, I will. I'll use this for gasoline if I have to, and then I'll keep cheapo soap, some rinse aid in here. But yeah, I need to build a little compartment where I can just keep chemical. But I always fill those up before I leave, and of course I'm just downstreaming. So yeah, I would like to upgrade to Flexzilla, but it's not a priority right now, you know. So that works, and as long as it works, I'll probably just keep doing it. So very efficient, you know, cheap setup. Again, I bought that used for $800. That is a huge ass ladder just for weird angles. But that's the only thing I'll ever use it for, because it's not like I'm climbing on roofs fixing them, because I'm a handyman as well. So, and yep, that's it. Eventually I will sign here, look for more videos, bunch of ladders there. So yeah. Thanks again for watching. Happy 4th of July.